Hi, this is Silvia Colloca, and today I'm going to cook for you some delicious flatbread with pickled baby cucumber and roasted cherry tomato. So what I've got here is some delicious baby cucumber. I'm just going to cut them like so and pickle them. And what I've got here in this pot is just a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of water. And to that, I'm going to add some sugar and some dukkha, just because I really love the flavor profile that it adds to any pickling. And that's about enough, as much as you like really. Tablespoon and a half. And just allow for the sugar to be dissolved in the pickling liquid. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. And it smells so beautiful already because of all the spices. So I'm going to turn this off and drop these in and leave them here for about 30 minutes. That'll be enough pickling time. And that's all the time we need to make this dish anyway. Second part, some roasted cherry tomatoes. And look, this is the variety of cherry tomatoes and tomatoes that makes me weak at the knees. They're beautiful, they're all completely different. You've got a beautiful array of colors and shapes and sizes, and what I like to do is to chop some in half, some I'll keep whole, some I'll quarter, according to whatever takes your fancy. And we're gonna go in this oven dish with a pinch of chili flakes and an equally big pinch of salt, because seasoning is crucial, which reminds me I should add a pinch of salt to this concoction as well. Extra virgin olive oil, a few tablespoons, and the same amount of balsamic vinegar, garlic. And just put your body weight into this. Toss it through, just rip some herbs, and this goes into a very hot oven for about 25 minutes. And in that time, the tomatoes will release their juices and natural sweetness and sugar, which will mingle with the olive oil and balsamic vinegar and all the beautiful flavors we've added. And it's obviously going to be so delicious. And now for the flatbread. We've got some self-raising flour, a good pinch of salt, and cream. Going to add a little bit at a time, and I'm going to add some herbs, and then I'm going to knead it. Roughly chop some parsley, mix that through. Okay, I'm going to go in and squish, squish, squish. Let's just move it onto the board and knead it until smooth, and then it only has to rest for about 10 minutes. Now that the dough has rested and it's been rolled out, it's time to cook it. I've got a griddle pan here, a non-stick one, no oil, no butter needed. I'm just going to cut this into two because it's going to make it easier to bake. How good is this? You've got a bit of ham, a bit of prosciutto, the pickles, the cherry tomatoes, and this most delicious flatbread. Just gonna tear it open and dunk it in Italian style. There are a lot of Australians at the moment that are doing it really tough. And they are really looking for help when it comes to nutrition. And so if you can donate, a little bit goes a long, long way. With $1, Oz Harvest can provide 2 meals.